Hello folks, it's me again. This I have a bunch of little antique things that I hang in my store. I bought a few things from my store, and where are they? Yeah, I'll put the camera down. I'm not going to do an individual video each one. I'm going to do a long video of a bunch of them. So here we go. I will put this down here like this. A little bit of the shadow. And first thing I got is, everybody knows what these are, right? Yeah, what is that? Yuck, crud on my finger. This is a hop. Not for legal trade. I picked up one of these old suckers just to hang from the ceiling. They're a fish weight thing. I don't know how accurate these are. I'm not going to test it. I remember seeing these as a kid. I'm sure they're not made as... I don't know, maybe they are made the same today. I'm sure the new ones today, they're probably skimping out like this. Is probably this little thing is probably 10 times thinner. They're probably using plastic and who knows what. I'm sure the brass piece is not brass anymore. And it's probably all laser etched or some crap. So I bought that to hang on the ceiling. I'll probably hang a... I'm thinking maybe I'll find a stuffed animal fish or hang elf. Because I have a couple of elf dolls. That's for my store. What else? Oh, I found one of these put in the store. I gotta find a place to put it. Anybody remember these things? Remember these things? Little aspirin containers? Where you open them up and... I honestly, as a kid, don't remember these because I wasn't the one dispensing aspirin. It was mostly my parents. How do I get this open? Damn it. It's yeah, remember the little... Hey, look, see? Fast relief, headache, cold grip. It's pretty cool. And then there's the back side, which and you can see this little thing here. And then there's the instructions. Here, hold that up there. There's the back, if you can see that. So anyway, about that, I'll probably put a little sticky pad on the back and stick it on the wall where somebody can see it. I also picked up a, I can't even figure out where the hell this thing. It is an old radio. This has a really old earpiece. It says, you can look on the front here. See, take a look at it. There's also a... This is wired into it here. It says Boltone. I haven't found one online at all like this. If you push this down, it's I guess an on or off thing here. Go if you see, it has a little on or off thing here sideways. Oh, there's something here. There is also a battery compartment here. I have no idea how old this is. Not sure what kind of batteries it takes. It says in there, patent, other patents pending. Made in USA. Like, is this some spy device I don't know about? I mean, it could be. There's a little volume on the side here. Off. It says off and loud. I don't even know. I couldn't even find a reference to this thing. Like, it's some freaking CIA device. I mean, look at it. If anybody knows anything about this thing or can find something, please put a note, comment, link, send me a thing. See, it's a small little compact radio. I'm assuming the plastic earpiece here is, I mean, it's not even plastic. Maybe it's like, not even rubber. I think it's, because there's a, inside here there's like a knurling that's put on there, so. Pretty sure somebody left some earwax in there. Ew, earwax. So anyway, I bought that, put on the wall somewhere. Do I know who makes it? It says Boltone Monopack Model L. I thought it was cool. I mean, got some cool crap. That's from my store. I picked up an old pocket knife. This is I got no fingernails. I can't open it. I got no fingernails. I can't open this. It's an old 5K Germany. It looks like whoever had this thing. Whoever had this thing, the blade's like been sharpened 50,000 times. Somebody enjoyed this knife. It is a Premier knife? Premier Lifetime. Cheap little knife. Probably holds a good... I don't know. Maybe I'll use it. Or I'll throw it in a night box. I think it has a... I don't know if this is real bone or plastic. Whatever. Picked up that one. And that's pretty much it for the non-tool stuff. I mean, they are tools. That's stuff from my store. I basically hang the stuff in my store, and that's what I do, hang them up. There's a lot of other shit on my bench here that you'll see in a minute. But yeah, that's it for that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends that I have a channel and I do all kinds of weird things. Like we're still trying to find another TV to do. Me and my daughter, she's 8 years old. We want to do a live, what do you call it, TV smash again. I'm trying to figure out how to do the live in here and actually get it to work and not suck. So, thanks for watching. Toodles.